This is also very interesting bag. I believe actually it came out in last year winter collection because it is a mix between the black and the burgundy color. Normally Chanel, they launch the light color in the summer and they launch the dagger color in the winter season. If I am right, this came up in last year. And also this is a seasonal piece, so difficult to get it. In Harrods, they don't even display these kinds of bag anymore. Normally Chanel Mini are so difficult to get your hand on. They don't even show to the public. They only show the public something like seasonal. Currently they are launching the white bag in the violet color, silver hardware. And these are the current line that see more availability on the shop. So but this time I am so fortunate. I found one of the SA was showing her client when I am queuing the line. Asked them, oh, I am looking for a Chanel Mini, like Chanel classic bag in the mini rectangular shape. And the man from the Harrods Chanel boutique, the man said, oh, we don't have any more classic mini in rectangular shape, no more. As well as on the Bond Street Chanel, they also said that, oh, we don't have any more classic Chanel in the leather version. They only have a tweed version, you know, tweed is kind of fabric version, they only have it. Normally, I only want the rectangular mini. I have a Chanel small flat bag, but it's too much dressy for everyday wear. So I don't want too much dressy, and I don't have any place to go like a party or wedding or any time sooner. I would like to have a one Chanel bag that I can wear every day, not like so gaudy color or anything. I already have a dressy one, isn't it? So I like something simple. So this is the another bag that I bought. The same thing, Harrods. If you can see that even the serial number, the cell number where this one is 004584, another is 483, because I purchased two exactly the same time, one after another. So I got, this is a ID number, selling ID number 83, this is 84, and here it is. And this bag, it cost me 3,480, nearly 3,500. So if you would like to know in chat, you can multiply with 3,000. It is around 100 things, something like that. So this is a receipt I purchased by myself. So actually Harrods allowed to buy two Chanel bag in one time, but very fortunately at that day I went to Harrods with my friends. So I used my same Harrods card, but I asked my friend to pay first. So similar, like I bought one, she bought one, but I paid the money back to her to get the two back in one time. Actually, they are, you know what, Chanel says so, they are so proud. It's very difficult to approach. They said, oh, we're not allowed to let you buy two back in one time, one go. I said, okay, if you not allow me to purchase two back in one go, how about I purchase one and my friends purchase by how is it? So they said, yeah, that's matched with their policy. Okay, so I asked my friend to help me to pay first, and then I sent the money to her right away, and I got both back. This is how my two bag buying history is. So that will go into here properly now, because I don't want to waste your time. And let me show you the second bag inside. Actually, they pack very well in here, and I don't want to destroy this packing as well. So I try to squeeze from the down. Okay, got it. And then this Chanel packing will be this way. And then I put my everything in here, and I put it properly because for me, I like to store everything in place. And this is strange, like whether you might like it or hate it, but I really love it. And here it is. Look at this. This is a very beautiful, so beautiful on camera. I will show you removing this. Look at this. This is my everyday bag. The bag that I'm going to travel the world with this. Look at this. Like, I asked my friends, how is it? For her, she doesn't like this color, like this is brownie burgundy, isn't it? She said, oh, the whole black will be nice. For me, I like it. I feel like, oh, I can wear with either this dress. Normally I wear a lot of nudie dress, brownie, some kinds of skin color. So this will match with whatever the dress that I wear, pinky or nudie or whatever skin color, even it's matched with my skin color, isn't it? So I really like this color actually. This is called brown or burgundy or whatever this color. I really like it. And this is my bag actually. And this one have a strange thing because of it have a strap, but you can see this strap is so comfortable, very comfortable. When I try on this, it's so comfortable, this one. And this is a beautiful quilted. This is so nice. And when I try on, even like the leather is, when the weather outside is hot, the leather is cold on my skin, and when the weather outside is cold, the leather is warm on my shoulder. It's so nice. It have a Chanel logo is here, and this is, and normally seasonal back, the shoulder strap are too thin, but this one, the shoulder strap is so strong and not heavy at all because of this one, because of the whole, this strap is so carry the whole weight of this, so it is not heavy on your shoulder at all. As well as I said before, I don't like the back that the strap is come with a hook, so I want the handbag that is the shoulder strap attached with the bag together. So that it is here. And look at this. Actually, the SA, she wrote in the receipt, when I checked, she wrote on the receipt, this is a lambskin. Actually, when I arrived back home, I checked online because I still can find the Chanel advertisement on the Chanel website last year, because luckily last year when it's launched, I was thinking like, oh, I want this bag. So fortunately I screenshot the handbag information from the Chanel website. So I still have this information on my machine. So I go and check on the Chanel website. It's telling that this is a calfskin. Calfskin is, we have a lambskin, caviar, and calfskin. Lambskin is very soft like this one, very soft like this bag. You have to be looked after very well. The caviar is very rush bag that you can wear almost every day. And but calfskin is in between, not so rush, not so plasticky like caviar, but at the same time not so soft like lambskin. It holds really a positive properties of the both sides. It's shiny and smooth and so luxurious look like lambskin, but at the same time it is little bit stronger than the lambskin, so you can wear like almost like a caviar as well. So here it is. And as well as this is like, I prefer for everyday use. Now, not everyday use. I will. My plan is I plan to travel the world. So if I travel the world and if I only have to carry one bag to side it down my luggage, I will carry this one, because you can see that I can even climb the mountain with this strap. It won't bother me because the strap itself is too strong and not heavy at all. Too strong. It holds the very much balance with my small bag with this strap. So much balancing, isn't it? And here, and you will see that. And plus, what I learned is, if you want to know how much the length is, normally is we always measure. And by the way, this one is even the small mini size a little bit bigger. I find it a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger means it's true to the size. You can see here. Normally they measure by, it's a general knowledge. I learned is this one for 1 inches, right? We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches for this, right? 6 inches. If you count the square, we got a how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches square. But you will see a small tiny here extra. Did you see that? Small tiny extra. Here side also small tiny extra. That make this small tiny extra. Let's make this bag little bit bigger than 6 inches, and it can hold so many things. So this is a way how you separate the fake Chanel and the authentic Chanel. Authentic Chanel, the square is meant for 1 inches. They are very detailed. And as well as I know is the authentic one, this one never like too much bouncy or anything. And I still have a plastic cover, as you can see here. It's a plastic cover in here. And then I like the quitting me, and plus the detail sewing line. It make it both bag that I bought have a very detail, because these days Chanel no longer produce a sewing line in the corner, as you can see here. Sewing line in the corner make the bag look so neat and tidy, and I really like it. And here both of my bag, you can see the sewing line at the corner. And then, because normally I still want the one Chanel bag that I can wear for every day, not only for party or show up this. Like, I want to be cool dressing like daily. Plastic bag so difficult to wear because the chain strap is very difficult for wearing cross body. The chain length is so short, isn't it? And if you wear only the two strap, it look like so dressy, like going to office or anything. So for me is I want to wear this bag not for going to office or anything. I want to wear this bag for traveling with lightweight and cool style, isn't it? So inside, I saved my authenticity card. By the way, you can see the plastic is still on. I don't remove this plastic because it's completely brand new. And here is my authenticity card. This is the authenticity number is here matched with the authenticity card this way. So inside, this one may not be a leather, more likely a wrinkled skin, but that's also fine for me because the key is that were even more resistant for the purpose that I'm looking for. I just don't want the one or a few times for the party or anything. I want to wear Chanel for wherever I go out for a trip, and without bothering me, isn't it? So that is, I like it. I really like it here. That is my collection. So I think at the moment that explain enough, and hopefully you enjoy. I think I will insert some of the footage if anybody interesting to see what items currently available in the Harrods. You can have a look and you can compare with my choice and the current available item. So you will see. My friend is telling that, oh, I don't like this color. I like it, actually, I like it. And you can see that, look at this. It is so shiny. It's so shiny. It's almost like don't even want to scratch or anything. But the thing is, when you touch it, you will feel that it is really not so soft, not so super soft like this one. It is feel like more durable than this. Wow, look at this. The cable also 2-color tone. It's so beautiful. And the comfortable is, oh my God, this is the most comfortable bag that I ever tried on in my life. The most comfortable and the most feeling like so strong, not like some seasonal pieces that just to touch the road, you don't feel like, oh, it's worth it to pay 3,000 or something for this. The road itself, quality is feeling like, quality is poor. It's so skinny, but this case, not the road, I mean, the strap is so strong and so nice. Oh, I really like this. My favorite. Okay, that's and my unboxing, and hopefully you enjoy. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe my channel. I will be very appreciated to have you around. Okay, bye. Thanks. Finish.